I don't normally talk during the trains out videos, but since I've been here for about an hour now, I thought I'd give you all a bit of an update as to what's going on. So this 700 got into Hurst Green 5 minutes late, and then there were reports of a trespass incident between Hurst Green and Lingfield, so the power has been switched off. That service that was meant to be going back to Bedford has been cancelled between East Grinstead and Oxted. I do apologise about the background noise. I will show you the tail lights on the train. This is very, very rare for any trains to be doing a wrong directional movement at Hurst Green. I originally thought it was going to be doing the shunt move, which is along this track here, underneath the bridge, and to that ground position signal. However, the power has been switched off all up the line to Lingfield and presumably to East Grinstead. So I don't know what's going to happen now, but that's just some of the issues that we face when we train spot. Sometimes things don't go our way, but that's life. Since I finished the last video, these points here have changed, so trains can go towards East Grinstead. However, if that rail there was touching that rail there, then they'd be going from Uckfield to London Bridge. That is the same for that rail there. If that rail there was touching the other rail, then trains would be going towards Uckfield. Unfortunately, these trespass incidents are now a common occurrence. Unfortunately, if you play stupid games, you win stupid prizes. Oh, here we go. I hope no one's been seriously injured or hurt during the incident. And if that was the case, then my thoughts go out to everyone involved. Since the 700 has now done the shunt move, I thought I would do a quick explanation as to where these lines go. So the lines to the left, these two go to and from Uckfield. You can tell that because they don't have any third rail, which are these things here. So there's no electricity down that line. And these two lines go to and from East Grinstead. So this is Hurst Green where we are now. Hurst Green train station's just over there. We have the Uckfield to London Bridge service, which was the clip before this clip. We have the late running East Grinstead service, which was held at East Croydon for about 50 minutes. We have the Thameslink 700 that was involved in the shunt movement. So from just down there, across the points, just here over to the left. We then have another late running East Grinstead service. This train actually runs fast from Oxted to Sanderstead. So although it departed 39 minutes late, the driver should be able to bring back some time, if that makes sense. The website I was using in the previous clip is called Open Train Times. So that now means that the East Grinstead service has just left Oxted. So them points basically mean that the train can go from Hurst Green straight down underneath this bridge and to its next station stop, which is Lingfield.